Okay, welcome. Yeah, well, this is we have 1 second to go. Now I'm gonna go. What the fuck? Again? Okay. I managed to start the trade. Sorry guys, I was late today as well. I managed to start this trade using my other using my FTMO Academy Trade Spider expert advisor. It works pretty much the same. We'll try some stuff here now to see if it's gonna work. I'm testing some new numbers today just to see how it's working out with a bit higher risk to reward, smaller stop loss, but then I can have 17 positions instead of 12, 13 positions. So we'll see now what will happen here. We got 3 losses directly. Now we're gonna have a 4th loss, so we're in the 5th position now, and it just moves up and down. This doesn't look good. So if you haven't seen this before, if you haven't been watching my channel, I'm doing everyday live stream using something called Hedge Ninja. You see it in the red box up here. Obviously I'm using another robot now because somehow on this account I'm not able to start the Hedge Ninja. I don't know why. So I'm using this one instead. But basically what it does is we do some hedging. So we start with a buy position up here, and if price moves here, we do 1% profits. You see here 997, and if price moves down here, we close the position and change direction, so we open a sell position instead. So now we're in a sell position. What just happened here before was that we opened a few positions. Look at the 1 minute. Here we see we open a few positions up and down, up and up, up down. But when US 100 decides in which direction to go, that's when we end up being in profit and hopefully have a winning trade. I normally do 12,000 points, but I did some calculations and I saw that most often it moves only 9,000 points within the first hour. So I tried to reduce the target to 9,000 points just to see if I can win the trade earlier. And then obviously I increased. If you've seen the channel before, I usually have 1,200 points, no, 1,600 points stop loss and 12,000 points target, which is a 1 to 7.5. Today I go with an even lower stop loss. We get more trades open, but we have a better risk to reward, so it's a 1 to 10. So even though I have closed now 5 losses, we are in total a profit of 0.3%. And if price moves down here, we're gonna close with 1% profit. And this strategy is, it's just a strategy that it doesn't care about which direction you trade. So if price moves up, we win. If price moves down, we win. If price moves up and down too many times, more than in this case 17 times, then I end up with a very big loss, 4.3% loss. But so far it has been, knock on wood, it has been a pretty successful strategy if traded in the right time and in the right instrument. You need to have an instrument that really moves. So that's why I trade the US stock indices US 100 at 3:30 Central European time. That's when New York open. So If I trade when New York open, I know there's gonna be a lot of movement. So yeah, that's basically what I do. We see now we are in 0.6% profit. We don't have a lot more to go, or we end up in a profit. Let's see, it's 1,611 in profit. If you come down again, I'm gonna close it because it's might as well. It had a big move down, so you can might as well have a big move up. Many times in US 100 we go down or up, and then after 10-15 minutes we move all the way past the initial start and back up in another direction. So we don't know, and that's the beauty of this strategy. I mean, I don't need to know. What I don't like now is that I'm in 6 out of 17 positions, so I would like to have this trade closed pretty soon. So if we move down here a bit more, I'm gonna close it even though it's not at 1%. Just to reduce the risk and to collect the profits. I'm gonna do it now. Yeah, that's 0.57% profit. It might move down there. I'm gonna emulate this trade. Oh wow, it moves a lot like this. Double click, and we started up here. So this was the trade that we looked at. So if it would have moved down here, it will be 1% profit. But if you've been tuning into my channel and my live trades, you know that I'm a big fan of closing after big moves. So because after sun there's rain and vice versa. So after drawdown there's profits. It's the same, and after profits there's drawdown. So yeah, look now, it was a good decision to close down here. Maybe it might come down, but why risk it? I got 0.57% in 6 minutes, which is pretty nice. And if price comes up here, I'm actually gonna pull the trigger again. Because we are so early in the New York session, we have only been live for 7 minutes, and we have had this big move, so we might as well have a really huge move. Yesterday I missed 1% because I tried to trade from my iPad, or I tried to log into my remote server through my iPad, but I couldn't. So I couldn't enter the trade. I couldn't log in. It was really frustrating. And then I saw US 100 just moved like a train, and yeah, it would have been a nice 1% profit yesterday, but oh well. I banked some profits today. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna show you some fun. Here's a scalping. This is a demo account. I'm gonna just gonna actually go into this sucker here. Let's see if, yeah, what's the spread? I need to see the spread. Oh, it's too much. 140, 120. Too much. Let's just, this is just for fun. 1,000 like that. So now I will aim to get okay, 500 profit. We're just gonna do 1 to 2 risk to reward. So we're gonna do like this. I'm gonna show you it's possible to use this strategy. Start with a sell here. We have had an up move now, so go with a sell. This is just a demo account, remember that. So what I'm doing here is a little scalp. I tried this today with pretty nice luck on Euro USD. It's the same strategy as I showed you on US 100. I will if price moves down here, I do $500 profit. If price moves up here, I do $500 profit. If price moves here, it's the hedge area. It changes direction. So we can do that 6 times before we have a loss. So now we had the first loss, and we start moving up now. I was actually thinking about making a little video about this strategy because it's pretty nice. You can do some nice profits in very short time. And you control the risk. You can decide. Maybe you want to have like, okay, I want to have 3 positions. Then you gain 500 and you risk 378. Or you want to have 4 positions. It's almost 1-to-1. But I mean, you don't know direction. I thought I knew the direction. We went up here. Okay, we're gonna move down. No, we didn't. We moved up. So the trade spider took care of it. Changed direction. But as you see here, we have 551 euros risk, US dollars risk on 4 positions. Just by adding 1 position, we add almost 50% more drawdown because it adds the losing positions to the next trade. So we close a few losses, and then okay, I close here. Yeah, that was a simple trade, right? 412 US dollars in what we had. Look here we had the first sell. It opened at 1640. And I'm gonna move it here. So no, sorry. 1640 and 1641. We closed this. No, it's not. Sorry. 1639. So in 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes, we gained 0.4%. Less than 2 minutes, guys. That's pretty awesome, right? And we took not that a lot of risk. But let's continue. Let's try more. Okay. We're guessing it's gonna go up. So let's go up. So if we move up here now, we do another 500. But it looks like we're gonna change. Yeah, we did change now direction. Remove this so we see more. I mean, now we go down here. We're in profit now for the trade. Big candle. I'm closing it there. I'm gonna change direction now. And now, oh, I was too late, but okay. Change direction. So this is how you can do it. I'm actually thinking of starting a new 100k challenge just to do this live. Maybe 1.5 intense hours per day to show you guys. I think it's gonna be more fun to look at. But I need a better overview of the score, so we can follow exactly how it goes. It's like a tennis game, back and forth. Yeah, we do some win, we do some profits, we do some losses. What do you think? Would it be fun to see? I mean, who doesn't love scalping? We all love scalping. The problem is that the scalping is so fucking hard and it costs so much in commissions. The good thing with US Tech, at least on IC markets, is that we have no commission. Look, no commission. Which makes it ideal for scalping. So, yeah. But okay, let's go back and look here. Let's see what happened. Look, I closed my trade down here. It went up here again. We were in a sell. So we would have ended up in a buy, which then moved down again. So it would have ended up in a sell. And we had 6 positions. We would so this means that we would have been here now with 8 positions and a little bit drawdown. So my call to close this after this big move, pretty happy about it. Even though we end up with a winner here now, we could have win 350 more or 400 more than I did, but I did it in 6 minutes. It has been no, 8 more minutes and we would have still been drawdown and more positions used. So yeah, it was a good call. I mean, profits is profits. Don't underestimate the profits. But as long as you never just let you take your profits early, but you let your losers run to full loss, then you're gonna be screwed as well. And you're gonna end up in a bad behavior. I have been working on that for so long time. But now I'm closing my profits early, and I closing my losses early also most of the time. So takes out each other. But I like to trade like that. I like to feel that I'm in control. I like to reduce the risk as much as possible. I mean, now if I would have had like 2 or 3 positions open, I would have closed it if I were in a just a little bit profit, most likely, and then restart, because then I can just leave that trade behind. I can only allow 5 positions here, and if I would have been a 2-3, it's half or a little more than half of the positions used. So if it goes down, 1 down and 1 up, and I'm in 5 positions, and I end up in the maximum loss. Okay, we are really slowing down here for some reason. 160, yeah, 289 divided by 179. 161 is the yeah, let's say 1.62. 162 is the commission on US 100 on FTMO, which is good to know. Okay, what are we building up here? What do you like my fireplace? Good. It's fake, but what the hell? That's the job. I hear some sparkling fire noise in the behind, so it's nice. And I actually see it in my screen over there. Just a friend of mine talked about an altcoin, cryptocurrency today, Shiba. He has done like 4 times the money on it, so I just bought for 500 euros today just to be in it. I don't want to be left out when he runs all the way to the bank. I just put it there and I leave it. I accidentally put that on. Okay, what is happening here? Yeah, look now. Now we're on position 5. All of a sudden, I looked away, and I'm on position 5. So this is now if it moves up to break even, I'm gonna take the break even, but it looks like it's gonna move down again. Then I'm fucked. I can increase. Let's say, yeah, okay, I'm gonna give them a bit more chance, but it's increasing a lot in the risks. So I will try to do like this. Like there is 1 to 1.5 or something like that, or 1 to 2 maybe. That's, I think it's a good risk because you win more than you lose on this one, more often. So at least I think so. Oh no, we're gonna die! I'm dying! Oh. I don't wanna die. No, 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 no. Yes. On to Papa. But it's gonna move down. But we have a little... depends on how you see it, but it's a bearish flag. But it can move up down here and then shoot. But it's gonna move up sometime, I am pretty sure. Move above the line now. Let's move, 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 move. Come on, baby. You can do it. Move now. Now it's a good time to close because we have 3 white candles. I'm actually gonna close that one. Okay, 0. Oh wow, perfect close, motherfucker. Okay, let's see here. Where is the trades? Why are we not moving? What's that? We're at this position, yeah. Look, we would have ended up in a profit, but it was a risk. I did 0.2. I did 2 other US dollars loss instead of instead of losing 700. Okay, we're moving again. Come on, wake up, wake up. Yeah, we're gonna move up for sure. I'm gonna go now. Let's ride this motherfucker. Okay, we had a first loss out of 5 positions. Damn it, we only have 5 positions. I might as well, I should have probably increased the target a bit. And we reduce the risk and increase the profits. Maybe shouldn't have done that in the middle of the cycle. But yeah, look here. I was 7, 8, 9 positions. We would have been in 9 positions now out of 17, which is still okay. But I closed the profit down here after 7 minutes. So I was happy with that one. But okay, let's see here. We're position 3 out of 5. Please move. Come on, baby. But yeah, I was right. We had an impulsive, we have correction, we have impulse. This is how the markets move a lot. Or at least when you see this, you know that it's about to make this pattern. So, no, this will really suck. Another position. Okay, 4 out of 5. And we're going up now, no? Come on, baby. Move down. If we move down now, I'm gonna close the break even and reduce the risk, most likely. I have taken risk for nothing. I know that's terrible. Okay, we have a little retest here. Retest of this area. Probably. No one remembers a pussy, right? Should we? 5 is... I might need to take a little bit more risk. Pull this off. If I do this, I risk 1. No, I risk 2 and gain 1. Let's do that. We don't need this. Boom. 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 Look here. Oh, wow. Look, we were in 9th position. We were so close opening at 10th position. We are about to go to the 10th now if we had the trade still open. Yeah, this would be 10 now. Now 10 out of 17. This is why I talk about the risk. Risk before profits. No, I should have closed it. I didn't see it. Fuck, I missed it. Okay. That's how I win instead. We have 3 more positions to go. See all these wicks here? We're getting speed. We're getting up the momentum to go to the moon. Come on, baby. Yeah, show me. Up, up, up. Okay, 5 out of 7, but now we're gonna move up. I can see it. Look here. It's like a car. It makes the turn here and... Or not, it's a... Car is broken. Ah, come on, baby. Don't stop. Don't stand in this same position. Yeah, I tried this on EURUSD. It went pretty good actually. Gold is nice. I did this on gold today. Did some. I did a break-even trade and I closed it here. I've been doing this all the time today, and then, I wait for the trade for many hours. On this is on the FTMO account. No, this is but I did the same on the FTMO account here. Here I had some positions, and then when it started to move, I fucking closed it. And the seconds after, it would have just ended up in a 1% profit, which would have been really nice. But I closed it at 100 or so profit, $100 US. No, we lost this fucker. Okay. Yeah, we need to practice on this one. I might not start a new 100k challenge just yet. But why are we so tired today? I mean, it's 4 o'clock. It's barely 4 o'clock. What's up, New Yorkers? You can also do a lot of different. I mean, you can do. Yeah. Oh, what did I have? 800. You can do a lot of different scenarios. You can have, if you don't like this small, you can do like this. But then the risk increases a lot, so you need to increase the target as well. So you are in pretty nice risk to reward. 8,000. Yeah, let's do like this. 8,000 and 2,000. And we're gonna go for 5 positions. Yeah, like that. Let's try it. See what happens. It's... Oh, I hope I'm on the right account now. Because now we got a little bit more room to breathe. Which makes it open less positions, obviously. But also a little higher target. 8,000 instead of 4,800, which I had before. We're in this resistance area. Okay, we have 1 minute now until a new 1 hour candle. I know I talk a lot about the 1 hour candles. And so we'll see what happens now. We'll see what happens. But we have a little... Now I'm starting again with the patterns. We have a little rising wedge here, like this. So probably moving like this, up, down, up or out from this wedge and then up. Looks like stars. It looks like we're having the move to the upside. We're gonna retest the break level. Yes, I think so. Or are we just gonna go to the moon? Wow, wow. No chat today. Are you guys lazy or are you guys too excited to watch my drawings? Okay, move. I did a little too low initial risk here, so it was only $400 target. I should have increased this by 25% because I want $500 per trade. Yeah, look here now. Moving down and then gonna move up. Okay, the target is up there, so... Yeah, what did I tell you about in the early in the stream? I told you that it might do these big moves like we did here. And then all of a sudden we change direction and go in the opposite direction. This is exactly what happened. And this is the things you start to notice when you look at the chart a lot. Especially if you look at, like I do, every day, New York Open, I look at the US 100. Or US Tech as it's called in the IC Markets demo account. I know it's gonna come candy now. Yeah, she's baking, so she will come with some stuff soon. No. Där. Ja, du kan titta in. My beautiful boy. I know he looks like a girl with this one, but it's okay. Yeah, my wife said that, oh, how many is watching? And I was like, it's like 4 or 5 people. And she was like, what? Maybe it's some perverts. Sorry, you're not perverts. I know that. Sorry, guys. Okay, we have the retest. Let's see now if it moves up again. Then it's insane. Insane. Okay, we would have had here... yeah, we would have been in like 10-11 now. Still 10-11. If we move down now again, we would have been in like 12 out of 17 positions. No, where is it? Where is it? Where are you, baby? 17 positions. So it would have been risky. And I mean, now I did 0.55% in 7 minutes. Now I'm in some drawdown, so it's risky. Okay, we're moving here. Okay. What is happening here? Ah, yeah. Now I remember. I forgot that we opened this trade. Look, it turned on my stop loss. What the fuck? I say it. We are living in a simulation. I don't know. You're not real, you guys. You're looking. I'm just making you guys up because this is my illusion. I'm living in this illusion that we're living in. I strongly believe that we all live in an illusion. And this is my upper limit. It turned exactly on my stop loss. Okay. This is the fun part about drawing like I did. Oh yeah, it's gonna move like this, or it's gonna move, break out like this and retouch and then go up. And even if it does, and when it does, if it does it one time, then you're like, yeah, look, exactly how I wanted it to move. I knew it. Next time it does it, and it doesn't move like you wanted, and the time after that it doesn't move again like you wanted, and it doesn't move like you thought it were for 10 times, but you keep forgetting that, and you only remember the times when it moved exactly like you predicted. This is why normally I don't like drawings, so I'm gonna delete all selected. I don't like to have lines, I don't like to have anything, I like to have naked charts. And like this, I trade what I see. I trade that it moves up and down, that's what I see. It's the only thing I can see. I don't see how much, I don't see and I see when. I see when, and I see that it moves at certain times, up and down. So just by doing this strategy, I don't have to decide on a direction. The robot decides on the direction for me. No. Wednesday. I'm gonna fill in the title of the video. Plus 0.55 profits in 7 minutes. Live forex trading. Boom. It's pretty fun to do these streams. Would be more fun if more people watch it, obviously, because I think this is actually a nice way to trade, and it's goes against what many traders talk about and teach. So I love to go my own way. If I do as everyone else, I will end up as everyone else. And if you know the statistics of trading, you know that everyone else is 95% minimum of all the traders lose money. So why do as everyone talks about doing? Yeah, do this, smart money concepts, support and resistance, blah blah blah, trend lines. I actually tried it all. 1.5 years I spent on YouTube looking at these nonsense YouTubers talking about this. They were just saying what everyone else was saying just to sound smarter than they are. And they don't even trade it their own way. That's what I want to do like this. I want to trade the things I trade live. And okay, now I'm sorry. This the FTMO challenge trade was over and done in 7 minutes. So I started scalping and trying the strategy slightly different, just to see how it works out and to give you some ideas. Ideas. Or, I don't know. Idéer på svenska. We are in 3rd out of 5 positions. And we are not moving. I'm so happy I ended this trade. I'm so happy. Look, fast. These are 1 minute candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it was one more. 1, 2. No, it's fucking 6 minutes. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it's 7 minutes. Yeah. Okay, let's see here now. We're in position 4 out of 5. I mean, if you do it like this, 12, 20 positions, you're gonna risk a lot of your account. But what are the odds that you're gonna stick around in this zone? They are 0 to none. We're not trading like that. That's really stupid. So 5 positions is what we are using today, or in this trade at least. The risk reward is 1 to 4 for each position, and we are risking in total, if we lose all 5 positions, $839 US, and we are targeting 400. It was more fun. I should do EURUSD. I did EURUSD on IC markets. I have zero spread, but $7 US commission. 2 ways, which is I had 10 points. It's like this. I had one pip. 1 pip stop loss and 5 or 6 pips target. I now have 6 here, but I had 5, and I targeted just 265, and I won a lot of them. It was fun, and they were quick. Okay, now we're gonna move down again. Gold. You cannot decide. Move up and take my last position, motherfucker. So what do you guys trade? What kind of trading style? You trade the forex currencies, or stock indices, or metals, or what do you trade? Write in the comment if you hear me. I'm gonna see what my... Well... Yeah, okay, yeah, he closed it. It's a guy that I talked to, one of the customers on robertsfx.com. I have some people renting my trading robots over there. For instance, Hedge Ninja, and he uses it on FTMO to bank profits, and he has been banking profits every day, just as I have been in the live streams. So I'm happy for him. It feels good that you. I only charge, or only it's 50 euros per month for the robots that I have created, but I spent like 2 years on creating them or more. So it's a small fee for the value you get, and I'm happy he banks profits every day. Otherwise, I would feel really bad. Okay, let's see what's the spread on this sucker. Use 100. Yeah, 60. Okay, let's see what we are. We are in the 4th position. Would be nice to close this one. This is just for educational purpose. This was the first trade went so fast, so I started to do some scalping, which ended up in this trade, which is not scalping because it's too wide stop loss and target. Just for fun. Okay. Yeah, it's sugar-free, gluten-free, it's some bread. Var inte fokus på bitkamera? What is it called? Okay, well, let's taste it. Good. Thank you. My wife's a feeder. She loves to feed me. Okay, move down there so I can close this sucker. We have a little area over here. Okay, what do we see here? Nothing. This was boring. Oh, here we see. Okay. Oh, this one moves. Oh, I want to use the. Now let's do a quick trader. Like that. I'm gonna risk 100. We're gonna do like this. No, 1000. That we're gonna have 5,000. 5 positions. I like. Okay, I want to change direction now. Let's do like this. Come on. Yeah. We broke this area, so might as well continue up. So what I did here now, I forgot to click this, because if I don't click this, we're gonna open a new buy every time down here. This is actually how we trade in FTMO Academy, but I'm adding this checkbox here, so we change direction every position. This one doesn't look good. Is it too small to look at? The information, is it okay? I mean, I have a 43-inch screen here, and to me it's very small. And this is a trade, so if we come up here, we do $470 profit. If we come down here, we do the same. We just change direction depending on where price want to move in this area here. So in this red line, if price moves down here, this buy position gets closed because the stop loss is there, and then it automatically opens a sell position at this area. But so if then we continue down here, I mean this what we see here is a nightmare. Okay, now we move down, we have a sell position. This is how it looks like on 1 minute. We are in position 2 out of 5. How is this? Oh yeah, we lost this one. Yeah, okay, I'm not sure it's good to scalp this now because the biggest moves has already happened. But this was just for we had some fun together. No, it's not closed. Oh yeah, stupid me, it's here. Yeah, we're still in position 4 out of 5. Sorry. Ali. But it's good to practice like this on demo account. You can do a lot of, you can get a lot of good insights. But don't just do one or a few of these cycles and then, oh man, I'm gonna win. Like we had a guy a few days ago on the stream, he told me that he had a strategy where he win 70% of the time and with a risk reward of 1 to 2. And I said, I don't believe you. And he said, why don't you believe me? No, I don't believe you, because if you have a strategy that wins 70% of the time and 1 to 2 risk reward, you're a billionaire. You're not gonna, there is no such strategy. Even though you want to have such strategy, there is none. Yeah, let's do like this so it's easier. So, so I told him, and then he admit that, okay, I only backtested it for 1 week. Yeah, but that's the problem with the fucking forex people. We all think, not we. I'm trying to be pretty honest, but most people, they are so they really need to sound smart. For some fucking reason, everyone wants to sound like they're profitable. But we know, god damn it, that it's 95% of the people lose money. So how come? Look at the FTMO channels in Facebook. People post about their past challenges. People post about their verification. Yeah, I got funded, blah, blah, blah. They do not post 5 minutes after or 2 days after they got funded that they fucking ruined their account. They don't do that. So you only see the good things. It's just like on Facebook, you know, all your feed is full of people or friends that is going on vacation, and they are showing their car or whatever, and the fucking car is rented, or they are on holiday one time this year, and but you see 10 different people on holiday, so you think that everyone is on holiday, but they are not. They are miserable 99% of their freaking life. Then one week per year they go on a holiday. No, kidding. They might maybe very happy. I don't know. But the point is that it's not always. It always looks a lot better than it is. The reality is not like that. Because then you would realize that your reality is much worse than everyone else because you struggle with trading. Yeah, but everyone else does as well. I do as well. If I really stick to my plan, I'm slightly profitable. Yes, I'm maybe doing 5% per month. Some month 10%. But then I start exploring, or I do some stupid shit, and I go out of my rules, and I get humbled by the market, and I end up in a 5% loss. So it's really, trading is really hard. Not saying it's not possible to make money, because I do make money, but not the amounts that you dream of. No. I make my company makes me money that I could only dream of 20 years ago. Yeah, it's like a highway in here. Everyone wanna be in this room. It's so funny. Okay, we're in position 5 out of 5 on this trade. I don't want it to be for nothing. This is for experiments. Okay, let's do this. This is an awesome trade. Risking 5k. Yeah, but yeah, don't listen to everyone. People are not that successful that you think. They don't earn the amount of money that you think. Even here on this island, I live in Mallorca, it's a lot of millionaires, even billionaires here. But even looking at the people that look so successful, even looking a bit closer, if you get to know them, you realize that they're not having it that good as you thought. You always think that they have a better financial situation, or that they are more happy, because you look how happy they look on Facebook when they post pictures. You think that, oh my god, these people are so happy, they really made it. Even me, who know a lot of these people and have been here for 5 years, I think that, oh my god, good, I'm happy for that guy, he looks like he's really doing good. And then you realize that he's not. He's struggling like hell. So don't listen to what I want to say is, don't listen to, or don't look at everyone to just see that, oh my god, they are earning so much money and you not, so you feel bad. Don't feel bad. I mean, it's hard. Trading is hard. Life is hard. The problem the problem is when you get a good lifestyle. I must say I have a good lifestyle. The problem is that you think that when you have that lifestyle, life will be so good. The thing that happens is, yes, I have a good lifestyle, but it always takes a lot of effort to keep this lifestyle. To stay here is a lot of stomach pain, because I mean, I get bills, 5,000 euro. Oh, I need to pay this tax. Like in December, I had forgot about a tax that I had because of some dividends the year before, 13,000 euros. And it's like, wow. And then the house breaks down and the water stop working, and it's a 500 euro, it's a 1,200 euros, and it's insane amount of money that goes into having a good lifestyle. So I dream about sometimes living a really simple life with just a little house on some hill or whatever, with a little electricity inside it. I have paid the house, it doesn't cost me anything, it's just an easy wooden house, and yeah, just a simple life. I dream about that. So okay, I need to help my son. I will be back in 2 minutes. Okay, I'm back. Oh, what's happening here? Oh, we're back here down to the support level. I increase this. I will not use 12 position. It's stupid. Here I would have been. This was my real trade on my real FTMO account challenge. Not real account challenge. I would have been in position, what did I say? 11 or 12 or something like that. Possibly we move down here to a full 1% profit, or 998 US dollars. But I mean, look at all these candles, and it has been 1 hour and 4 minutes now, and would still be in drawdown. But I closed it after 6 or 7 minutes, 0.55%. So I was happy about that. Okay. So what will happen here? US 30 is going slowly up to the target. We were really close to the target, but I was helping my son, so I didn't see it. But I just showcase here, if you're new, if you just came into the stream, I showcase some hedging strategy where we change position, change direction every time we hit our stop loss. So we are in a buy position here. You see here to the left, We started a buy, it closed down here. We opened a sell, but it moved up, so we closed and opened a buy, and we are now in position 3 out of 5 on this one, US30. And when price moves either to this line or this line, we end up in $470 US profit. And this is how I trade US 100 every day at market open, New York open, 3:30. And I do one trade, and my target is 1%. I don't always get 1%. I get less some days. Some days I get 1%. You can see if you look down, you probably see, or to the right on YouTube here, you see on desktop, you see that I have streamed almost daily, and you see the profits, and you even see some loss. Yeah, but it's a pretty fun way to trade. We don't need to know the direction of the trade. We just need to know that the price moves. So if it moves, we earn money. If it consolidates, we lose money. That's the strategy, okay? Regular trading, it's okay. If you buy and it moves up to your target before hitting your stop loss, you end up in a profit. If you sell and it moves down to your target before hitting your stop loss, you're in profit. The problem is that your stop loss is often too tight. And if you have too big stop loss, then you might as well change direction instead, right? Like I do here. So I go for 1 to 5 risk to reward per position, and I change until it decides which direction to go. But you do not want to open a new trade at like now, where the volatility is really low. You will just end up in a losing trade with a lot of positions open. So what's the challenge? Yeah, the challenge here is to find an instrument, a currency, gold, stock indice, or anything that moves, that you know will move, and that moves a lot in a specific time, like US 100 or US 30 every day, 3:30. Central European time, start to move. It moves a lot, so that's why I trade it, and I bank profits almost daily. Yesterday I missed 1% because I was in the car and I tried to log into my remote server with my iPad, but I couldn't for some freaking reason, so I was really frustrated, and I just saw the price and the trade. It flew away, the profits flew away, so, but okay, I miss some days, but I get it back some other days, so. But it's, I mean, I love to trade like this. Just to, okay, do what you want to do, you say to the price, you talk to the price, because you of course you talk to the price. Do what you want to do, and wow, I have 2 kids outside. Do what you want to do, move in either direction, I don't care, and when you do, we win money. Not we, I do. And if you do, if you're one of my customers who rent the Hedge Ninja, you're probably trading like I am on the daily stream. You have realized how I do, or you have talked to me, then yeah, you're banking profits as well. For some reason, I would like to just give you guys my robots, my FTMO Academy, the strategy I use there with the trade spider that I use here now. I would really like to just hand it over to you guys for free. That was my initial thought, but then I realized that I put so fucking many hours into this, so why shouldn't I get a little paid, even though I earn money from other sources? This is my hobby, yes, but it also provides value for others. So if you're one of the guys that trades FTMO and you pay 540 euros for a challenge to FTMO, and you pay me 50 euro per month to trade FTMO, and you bank money, there is a win-win situation over there. But if I give you all this for free, I will do it for a little time probably, and then I will start doing some other project, because I have a lot of projects in mind, and I have a lot of ideas that I want to do and follow up. So there will not be a sustainable, I will just stop with them. So I realized that if I just charge a little fee for it, the people that see the value and get value out of this, they will gladly pay me 50 euros to rent my robots, or pay 199 to learn my strategy on FTMO Academy to be able to pass this challenge. I mean, FTMO Academy, I take 199 euros and you pay 540. I wonder how many times. I mean, before I passed FTMO, I paid maybe $8,000 in challenge fees, and I assume that you're maybe not pay that amount, but you maybe have bought 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 challenges and you failed them, but your dreams is keeping you going. So what if you pay me 200, or you rent my robot for 49 euros and you pass the challenge, and you paid 540 for the challenge? You just add 10% of the cost to get the robot that does the job for you. Or you can do this manually. You can just write down on a piece of paper the lot sizes, to calculate the targets and profits, and do the manual trading. You can do that. You don't have to pay me. I mean, I'm giving you all the information you need here for free. I'm giving you the stop loss, the targets, and what time I do it. I give you the instrument I do, US 100. You can just do it for free. But if you want to use my robot and just press button and relax and let the robot do the job, it's your decision. It might be worth 50 euros to be able to do that. I don't know. But charging for my service, my robots, or my course, it keeps me having my interest in doing this, continuing doing this. I'm gonna close this trade. It's in profit now, so we're happy. It's so slow market. This trade is, I'm gonna close it at break even, and then I'm probably gonna call the stream for today, because we have been a little more than 1 hour now, and I have some other things to do. What would be funny? It would be funny to have 4 or 5 of you guys to join a Zoom call someday, and we just, you can get the robot for free. Yeah, let's do that. If you listen to this now, write an email to me at info@robertsfx.com. And tell me that you are interested in joining the competition. And we do a fun competition just for fun, where we use this robot and we join on Zoom so everyone can talk. And we do a competition for 1 hour, maybe like 3:30 someday until 4:30. And we use that New York Open hour, and we trade what we want to trade. And we risk how much we want to risk. We have opened a demo account each at like 100k. And then we just trade like crazy, take insane risk. And we see what we end up with. If we can do some profits, or if we're getting maniac like trading like maniacs and risking too much and losing it all. Would be fun to see what how we perform if we are like 5 or 6 people. So please, if you listen to this, write me an email on info@robertsfx.com, and I will select a few guys to do this. It would be a fun thing to do. Social fun thing, right? But US 100 really died. US 100 is not itself. I mean, it used to... Okay, let's see now how we moved. Yeah, we moved 14,000 points. Here we started at... Here. So we moved... Yeah, 10,000. That's actually more than normal. I have made statistics that 9,000 points is moved the first hour on US Tech or US 100 as it's called. So my new target is 9,000 points moving forward. Just to be able to get out of the trade as soon as possible. I don't want to be in trades too long. Okay, now it's at break even. Come on, go. Move. That. I'm gonna end the stream here. Thanks you for tuning in, and write me an email, and we see